Good evening, my name is Carlos Torres, and today I will talk about an important and interesting topic that is, have humans lost connection to nature? So, over the years, humans have increased exponentially, so we have needed more space to live and survive. And as the years have passed, we have wiped out quite a lot of ecosystem, destroying destroying much of the flora and fauna that we had before. The connection with nature has been lost since we have covered a good part of the territory of nature, building construction and other infrastructures that have taken position in the earth to give them a place where to live to the human beings. For these reasons, many of the people that exist have forgotten that there is a world outside their homes because with the technology boom, most people only spend depending on the electronic devices and don't realize that they are the they are losing out where there is a world to explore. The benefits that can be gained from living in a city are diverse, such as the comfort of living environment, such as furnished state, eating food from which to choose, relating to people, and other more. But there are more disadvantages than benefits. Who already live in a city are running many risks, such as living in environment contaminated by so many chemicals as the smokes of cars and factories. On the other hand, living far away from the city means near the forest. The environment is more healthier and there are no pollutants such as smoke and more food is usually healthier. And according to studies, it is said that being in the open places improve your health as your body releases vitamin D and you no longer run the risk of suffering a variety of diseases. Urbanism is impossible to stop until something serious happens. For example, that global warming reaches a critical point due to the loss of the trees, because the trees giving us a, a major part of the oxygen that the world have. And I say this because every year that passes, the population increases, so that urbanism increases too. And the only solution to stop this will be to stop population growth and keep it stable, which is very difficult. One of the most efficient ways to promote the connection between people and nature is to bring people to nature and to have experience of leaving their comfort zone to a place where they themselves must survive. Another way is by giving talks about what nature is and the benefits it brings to us. Because uh, the benefits that the nature have to us is are a lot. Like I say before, prevent some of the cancers that exist and release vitamin D. And this is so important to stop the deaths in around the world. That is something important to say to the people that they need to go to a open place like a forest for have a good experience with the nature. And a lot of more things happen when you are in an open place because you feel right and you have more more things to do because you need to survive. And this is the good things about the stay in the nature. That is that reinforce the connection of the humans and the nature. And as conclusion, you can say that nature is a part of us and we must preserve it because we can run many risks to eliminate it by building infrastructures and edifications that 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 destroy a good part of the nature and practically destroy a part of the world and an important part of the world because the nature is what have will give us a lot of oxygen and we can not don't destroy the trees. That is the most important part of the nature and the ecosystem. And we must try to live with it and not make it our enemy. That is all, and thank you for watching.